Alright, here's another one that I wrote. I think this is the very first song that I wrote. It's been well over a year ago. And I just picked the theme out of the air, and this is inspired by my nephew and fellow bandmate. This is for you, T. It's called Lawnmower Man. Out cruising on his X-Mark, and the sun is burning hot. Got a six-pack waiting out in the parking lot. Hank Jr. on the iPod, and the heat is just insane. Gotta keep the money flowing, so I'm praying for some rain. I gotta lay out a bunch of these straight lines. I'm working for the upper class. If they don't like the job I do, they can kiss my grass. Lawnmower man on a zero turn. He don't wear no shirt, now his ass will burn. May not be a John Deere, but it's 6 feet wide. Don't worry about no boss man, can a grizzly by my side. Out in the open country, I'm just a loving Mother Nature smell. You know I'm running top end, just like a bat out of hell. Well, this job ain't always easy, I just ran out of gas. These hemorrhoids are biting my backside. I should be out catching bass. Lawnmower man, sitting on my can. When the sun go down, he rock his function band. Well, they're turning colder, the grass no longer grows. Hook up the blade and spreader, and hope like hell it snows. No factory or no tech job, well that's the line I won't cross. And I'll take that to my grave, boy, I'll always be my own boss. I'm playing poker with the jack of all trades. You think that I'm a sitting duck? Slow down and smell the roses, boy, I got my name on my own truck. Lawnmower man, don't care what they say, I can't never be canned, I'll do it my own way. Lawnmower man. Clear cut lawn care, that'll be $30. Oh, sorry, clean cut.